Are you eating healthy but the weight's not coming off? You're at the point where you probably need to start looking at the food you're eating and the quantities that you're eating, and maybe even get yourself a gram scale just to check to make sure what you think you're eating and what you're actually eating are the same. On my channel, I'm always saying what you ought to be eating is about a protein the size of your hand, carbohydrate the size of your fist. So I've got this chicken sitting right here. How much chicken do I want to eat? Size of my hand. Just happen to have a plate here, size of my hand. I've got a gram scale. I'm going to place that on there. That comes out to 4 ounces. An ounce of chicken, that's about 50 calories. So in my 4 ounces, I've got 200 calories and just about 32 grams of protein. Now, for your carbohydrate, pick whatever you want. You can have anything about the size of your fist. It could be a potato, a baked potato. I usually say all the fruits and vegetables you want. So on an average lunch after I work out, I will have usually some chicken like this. I've usually got a craving for something sweet. These Magic Spoon protein treats are actually pretty good. They got a little sweetness, not a lot of sugar in them, and they got, I think it's 14 grams of protein. I do like those. Also, I keep blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, watermelon. All of these will help with your craving for sweets. So again, just to wrap it up, I'm not telling you should be weighing your food every single day. But if you're not reaching a goal, perhaps it's time that you just start looking at what you're eating, make sure the portions are actually correct, the number of calories that you're eating is correct, and that you're not adding anything additional to it that may be ruining your diet. For instance, I'll show you this right now. Chick-fil-A sauce. It's absolutely delicious. If you remember, we said this was 200 calories. If you take this Chick-fil-A sauce and put 2 tablespoons on there, you've just added another 160 calories, essentially almost doubling the number of calories in this meal. So if you're gonna have this, and I often do, just make sure you limit it. Put just a little on the plate. Don't bring the whole thing over to the table while you're eating. Put this back in the refrigerator and limit yourself so you know what you're getting. All right, again, good luck. We'll come back with more tips.